If you have recently been in an automobile accident, then you have a damaged car and possibly some injuries. You may even have been unable to go to work for several days because of your injuries. Unfortunately, you know that in order to receive compensation for all of these things you must deal with the insurance adjuster from the other person's insurance. Although they can seem quite intimidating, by following these tips you will be able to get through the ordeal and receive fair compensation. First, you need to understand that the insurance adjuster is very experienced and has done this many times before. You need to be as informed as possible in order to deal with him. The first thing he did when the accident report came in was to make calculations about the worth of your vehicle and the amount of damage that it sustained. There are quite a few set numbers that they deal with that relate to injuries for the type of accident that happened. They will work quickly and want to negotiate a settlement as soon as possible. Next, once you understand that the car insurance company wants to pay you as little as possible as soon as possible, you can be sure to take your time. They know that some injuries show up after a period of days or even weeks, and want to settle quickly so that they don't have to cover more than the minimum. However, if you also know that it may take time for some things to show up, you can be more wary. The problem is that if you take their initial settlement, that is all that you will receive. For some people, it is enough, but you need to carefully evaluate your situation before deciding. Third, don't get into arguments as they question you. They will ask you questions about why you even went to the doctor and may try to relate your current problems to past injuries if they can. They will question your physician's diagnosis and anything else they can think of. You simply need to refer them to your doctor. The main thing is that you have all of your facts straight and your documents in good order. The more detailed they are, the better it is for you. Fourth, many people find that it is very helpful to hire a personal injury lawyer. If the adjuster is very abrasive and it is hard for you to stand up to him even if you know you are in the right, it can be important to have legal advice on your side. An attorney can put a little pressure on the insurance company that you cannot. You will have to pay the attorney, but usually, he will help you get a large enough settlement that his costs will be included in it. Whether you hire an attorney or not, you need to be prepared with as much documentation as possible to show why you need the amount of settlement you are asking for. You will need to be firm and persuasive. By standing your ground, you should be able to end up with a fair settlement. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.